Good morning and welcome to Something About Being Out. Today I'm fishing on the Whitmore fisheries, day ticket fishery. This season I've changed what I've been doing. I was fishing on a syndicate close to where I live, but now I bought myself a pole and I'm changing direction. I've fished Partridge Lake and I've also fished another fishery local to where I live, Hudson's Farm, if anybody knows that one. Both day tickets, both good fisheries. I think £50 was a good weight the other day. I had a few fish on one of the lakes there. So if anybody wants to know anything, I am making my way to Whitmore. It's 9:15 in the morning on a Tuesday. It's pretty brisk, windy here, just looking out over the bay. So it's from Dave at Something About Being Out. Thank you very much for watching. I'll keep you updated on what I catch. So I'll give you one of them. Have a great time and see you on the next live.